Like this, underhand, all right?
I got
and you go like this, look at it, underhand, like that.
Oh.
See that?
Ooh, the baby made it.
Underhand. So this is for kids and adults. Now that 4th of July is coming over, we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it is. This you can play at night and in the day. Let's open it up. Daddy, you wanna open it up?
Of course.
All right, so.
Hey, you got a new bottle.
So what is it? Let's find out what it is.
It's got American flag patterns. It is.
What is the new bottle?
Whoa.
Oh, one of those.
Oh, it's like pop, like cornhole.
Yep.
Mobile cornhole.
Yep.
Oh, they have the drawbar and they have the nana here.
Yep.
See who wins and then get the point.
That's right.
I saw that video in Coconut.
Got you. Elevate. That's in case you don't want it to move, you know.
Got you.
We can't throw it.
No, it's a buckle.
Yeah.
There you go. That's one.
Take it.
That's two. And the last one.
Take it. One, both. Oh yeah. Oh, butter, butter. Oh, butter, butter. Oh, butter, butter. Oh, butter, butter. Oh, butter, butter.
All right, start throwing them in there.
Now we need to grind.
No quieres un suéter, Sofía. You made one in.
After you get the baby.
You know, you gotta stand back.
Yeah, you gotta find the range.
You gotta go back.
So
That's
stand-
cheating.
Stand behind, like right.
I got two in a row. But no, wait.
Oh, wow.
No, this is how you do it. No, this is how. Look at. I mean,
Good egg.
Yeah, like that. All right, so you want to take your game at night. Check this out. We'll have a remote. You can play at night. Comes with a control. Multiple lightings. Super awesome.